I'm gonna talk about how to use deepwiki to generate documentation for the smart contracts that you want to hack. Suppose it will generate the documentation for any public repository that you push into GitHub. Suppose there is a project called like MCP Go. If you just give the link, it will index it, and after that it will create the docs. See how neat it was. It will explain everything step by step. You just need to read and you can understand it in a very easy way. So how you can do it is, if you go to blockchain, set it to 3 weeks, search if, let's see if there are any contracts. It's not there. 1 month, and there is some contract, Ethereum. Okay, so first you need to download it. How you can download it is like you can use cast. You can use cast, which you can download from Foundry app. Okay, it is one of the binary in Forge tools, in Foundry tools. So you can use cast to download. I think it was like you need to give, I don't know, let me check. I'm starting my repository. Docker.ai. See, you need to give like this: cast source and -d, and you need to give the report like the folder name which you want to pull down the. Sometimes you need to give the chain. Suppose if you're downloading from Optimism chain, you need to give the chain ID here. If not, if you're directly downloading from Ethereum, you just give this, and after you download, you get folder like this. Like, let's see, I got one folder like contract.store. So what you need to do now is generate the Git repository. Just generate it, create some Git, and upload it to your GitHub. After you upload it, make it public. Okay, and just go to here, this deepwiki, and give here the public repository link that you have uploaded. And after that you will get like, you will see like it will take time for it to index. Okay, like 10 minutes, and it will ask for you mail, and if you give the mail, it will notify you, okay, your repository indexed. After that, if you go to there, see one repository I indexed, this one. After that, you can see how it can create the documentation. See, it is one of the uh, smart contract I uploaded. After that, I uploaded to deepwiki. It created it. Suppose if you want to use the paid subscription, you should buy it. It's not available for free. You should buy it. But if you upload it to GitHub, most of the smart contracts are public. Okay, just if you upload it to GitHub, you can generate it. Here you can understand a lot of things. Okay, you can read, you can understand the code, you can ask more questions. You can also use deep search about that particular code or that particular function. It will make you understand it in a better way. The most important thing of it was, it will generate documentation for your project. Okay, that is the most important thing.